Okay, so today I'm going to guide you about how to install WordPress under 5 minutes. Okay, so let's go. First of all, log in into your cPanel. You'll be getting the cPanel once you get a domain name and a hosting service. So you need to put in your username over here. I'm putting in my username, and then you put in your password, and then you log in. So this will authenticate, and then it will go into your dashboard, cPanel dashboard. So over here you need to scroll down a bit, or the cPanels are almost same for any hosting services that you buy. So you just need to look for Softaculous installer. They have many softwares to install directly from there. So here it is, Softaculous apps installer, and they have made another section wherein the softwares are visible right away. So we'll click on that WordPress over here, and once you click on WordPress, then this screen will come up. So just let it come up. Okay, so this is the WordPress screen from where you will be installing the software for your blog. Install now button is here, so it will just check whether the software is whatever requirement is there is available. Here you need to choose your protocol. So if you are not using a secure protocol, you can use HTTP. For a safer side, use HTTP, and then put in your domain name. Okay, here whatever your domain name, put in over here, and then in directory you don't need to put anything because you will be installing directly under the domain name. If you are using a directory, then you put in your directory name. Okay, we'll keep it blank, and over here we'll put in the site name. You can choose whatever site name you want to keep for your blog. Okay, so I'm putting in tutorials over here, since this site I'm dedicating for tutorials. So, and then I'll just give a brief description, and WordPress multi-user. So for the timing I'm using it a tick mark, I'm enabling it, and I'll explain this in another video. And then I will choose an admin name for the WordPress installation. So by default I'm keeping it whatever it is, but you can change it the way you want it over here. And then I'll choose English. Oh, this is popping up out of my screen. I'll close this. Okay, this is not related to WordPress installation. This is coming out of my machine. Okay, so now advanced options, you can change the database name if you want, but I'm keeping it whatever default it is. And table prefix is better not to touch it. Let it be the way it is. Or if you want, you can change it also, not a big problem. And the rest of it I'm keeping it by default, automated backups and backup location and all that, because this we will cover in a separate video. Okay, so selected theme, you can choose any theme over here which you like. You can scroll down over here. I'm selecting by default the given WordPress default theme that is available, and then I'm clicking on install. So once I click install, it starts installing the WordPress software. So you'll need to wait for a while, and then okay, this is installed, and this is happening in real time. So this is the actual time that it is going to take on your control panel. So once it is installed, I'm going back to cPanel, and then I'm on the browser. I'm going to type the name of the domain to see how my blog is looking like. Okay, this is coming up. Maybe my next. Okay, now here it is. This is going to be your first blog when you install. So since you have chosen a theme which is, I suppose, 2117 or something, a name as such. So this is how it is going to look, your blog homepage. And then in the next video tutorial, I'm going to guide you as to how to set up your first blog post. So by default, you will find in your after the installation that there are some default single post and all that. And that's about it. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.